Hi everyone, today we're making vegan enchiladas. Ingredients include olive oil, salt, paprika, chili powder, and black pepper, 2 different kinds of dried red chilies, carrots, potatoes, tortillas, garlic, yellow onion, and tomatoes. Peel and chop your carrots and potatoes. Add your potatoes and carrots to boiling water. Add your spices and boil down till soft. Strain the potatoes and carrots and set aside. Roast the bigger chilies in a pan. Now add the tomatoes, all of the chilies, an onion, and the garlic to the boiling water. Once everything is boiled, add it to the blender. Add salt. Blend your enchilada sauce. Now we're going to assemble our enchiladas. Lightly fry your tortillas, then dip them into the enchilada sauce. Place on a plate, add your carrot and potato filling, and roll. Add your sauce on top, and it's time to eat.